Here we are at Leona Waterfall Adventure Tours. We're about to go on a tubing adventure and then we're gonna go do some waterfalls. Yeah, so we got to get our safety gear on for the tubes and then it's gonna be quite the adventure down in the river. Let's go. All right, we got the helmet, we got the life jacket. Still got to get our knee pads and our elbow pads, but we're making sure that we are safe while we're on this tubing adventure. Okay, we all got our tubes and then we gotta head down to the river. We got a little bit of a walk to go. Don't worry, it's not very far. Here we go, down to the water. Super epic, guys. Can't wait to show you the epicness of this tubing adventure. We're coming up to where we drop our tubes off to the guides and then we make our way down to the water. All right, so here we are at the start of the tubing, the mouth of the water where we get going. And we just listened to a safety instruction from Fabricio. And yeah, so let's get this adventure started. Here we go. Woo! Oh yeah. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's the best way to travel in the tube. Oh my gosh. With that, we're done the tubing portion of this tour. Super exciting, so much fun. Got super wet, of course. All these people came along with us. So fun. Make sure to come to Costa Rica and check us out at La Leona Waterfall Adventure Tours. All right, here we go. We're going on the hike to La Leona Waterfall. We got a small group with us today, which is awesome. It'll take us a little bit of less time. Be about an hour and a half to get there, about 45 minutes to get back. And yeah, let's check this out today. Here we are walking through the river again. We got a little bit of a crossing up ahead, and then we'll be getting closer to the swimming adventure. Just finished the second river crossing. Now we're making our way towards, I always trip there, making our way towards the ladders and the ropes. Here we got the rope. Make sure to hold on if you need to. Otherwise, you know, you can just freehand it. Depends on how good you are with hiking, so just be careful. So cool. All right, we just got our war paint. Okay. We got our war paint. And now we're about to go to the first swimming hole. Let's do this. All right, let's take that rope and pull ourselves through so we can go through the waterfall. It's an epic challenge, but you got this. Let's go. Check that out. Woo! So fun. So gorgeous. That's it for the swimming portion. Now we're heading back through the ladders, through the ropes, a little bit of walking. Oh, I can touch. Here we go. We're in our last river crossing, and then we're going to go up that hill that we came down when we came through on the way here.